So in my previous video I told you I will be changing my IR blaster to this camera. This camera technically will replace this camera and an IR blaster up there that has been damaged, and well, I don't know how, but it's dead. So we're going to be using this to replace. I can't decide where to put this because an IR blaster like this one is round and it's all around. It will blast the IR all around, while this has a very, this IR blaster has a very directional. I don't know how I'll get the IR blaster to work the same here because I got the speaker controller up there, and that's how I control the speakers and the aircon at the same time. Well, let's get this set up and we'll just test it out. Okay, I got the camera connected to power. We'll find for the Camera Hub G3. This is a new camera, so it's already blinking yellow at the front. If not, press and hold the camera function for 10 seconds. Now we'll point this QR code to the camera.
网络连接中，请稍后。
We accept that the voice prompt is, and now we'll wait for it to connect to the Wi-Fi. Select the room that we would like this room to be in. We'll put master. I put the name and the location of the camera. Rename this as well. This is part of the naming convention that confuses me sometimes, but I have to add it to the board. We like to bind this to Apple HomeKit too. Now scan the QR code that's on the camera somewhere. Okay, the QR code's at the bottom. Add the camera to the home. Give a name to it that will appear on the HomeKit. Name the other accessories. Now let's see whether you can see the master camera. And there we are. So this is how you connect the camera to the app and HomeKit. Let's see what functions it has. They can track humans, detect the face. Let's see what automations it has. Okay, so all these are the trigger for the camera. When the turn on camera, turn off camera, when the camera is on or when the camera is off. At normal sound detected, when motion is detected, when known face is detected, when unknown face is detected, when a human is detected, cat, dog detected, or gesture is detected, we can do something. Either to do a motion detected, we have a look at the triggers that you can control. G3 camera. So you can set a trigger to control the camera, to turn off this privacy, or on, to turn to predefined positions, meaning to turn the camera, to play a ringtone, to play a customized ringtone, to play an alarm, to stop the ringtone, to enable motion detection, disable motion detection, enable sound detection or disable sound detection, enable or disable face recognition, enable or disable human detection or dog detection or gesture recognition or human tracking, and all these. Not sure what's this, but when the motion is detected, we just want to record video. We'll just set this default automation for this camera first. Now to add the IR functionality, got my remote here. We're gonna add the remote control. I want to customize it. Yeah, I do not like to use these templates, so I've set the camera to detect the IR remote. I point the remote at the camera and click turn on aircon. And I've saved that one to turn on the humidifier. Now I'll click again, and this will be turned off. And I'm done. Now, if you're wondering why I did not use the Daikin aircon app, it's a separate app and it will not link together with the Mi Home or Aqara or HomeKit system. So I got also the Bosch music player here to add to the IR blaster. I'll set this as a stereo. Don't have to, let's just put customize. Don't use templates. Add button. I'll do a on. This button will be on. Set the aux. Aux. Name the accessory. Master bedroom. Both speaker. There. I only have these two devices here. If I have a IR remote fan, I also can add that in. You can also add in the air conditioner automatically using the air conditioner function here. If not, basically give your aircon IR blaster a test. If it doesn't work, I have to adjust where it's currently pointing, because this is a directional IR blaster. And then I'll try again. There we go. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.